Hi guys! Welcome to the last part of my Japan vlog. Tara, join us! Let's enjoy the snow! It's snowing in Chiba! At dahil winter season, expected na talagang mag-snow sa Japan. Lumig! Super excited at enjoy ang mga kids dahil first time nilang naranasan ng snow. Grabe, ang saya! Talagang na-enjoy namin maglaro sa snow. Yung tipong naliligo ka lang sa ulan, yun nga lang, nag-level up. Imbis na tubig, tiny crush ice ang bumabagsak dahil sa snow. Kaya lang, talagang manginginig ka dahil sobrang lamig. After playing and enjoying the snow, tara, let's eat! It's homemade Korean dinner. The following day, we went to Tokyo Skytree. Look how nice ng stairs. Talagang umiilaw with matching sounds pa. We usually go to Tokyo Skytree at night to enjoy the colorful illuminated tower. At syempre, to take pictures and videos with Skytree as our background. At dahil Christmas season, very lively yung place. Madaming night market na pwedeng mag-shopping. Madaming food stalls para sa mga food trip. At ang dami ding mga beautiful spots na may enjoy mo talaga. It is also our first time to celebrate the New Year's Eve in Japan. Napaka-peaceful pala ng New Year sa Japan, unlike sa Pilipinas na sobrang daming mga fireworks. Of course, I prepared all our favorite foods. It's just a simple dinner, but we're so grateful and happy because we're complete and we welcome the year 2026 together. Based on the Japanese tradition, they usually visit temples or shrines in the first few days of January to pray for health, happiness, and good luck in the new year. At ang pinakasikat dito ay ang Nakamise Street. There is a famous matcha cafe. So, syempre, tinry namin yung famous iced matcha latte nila with warabi mochi. Then, we also tried the Mechi Katsu. It's a tonkatsu with minced beef and cheese. It was hot and crunchy. Of course, tinry ko rin yung favorite kong melon pan with whipped cream. Grabe, ang sarap! We also tried the chicken karage. At syempre, hindi pwedeng mawala ang dessert. Ang pinakasikat at talagang pinipilahan dito sa Asakusa, ang sweet potato cake. Yun nga lang, talagang maghihintay ka dahil sa haba ng pila, but it was very worth it. Super sarap ng mga food na tinry namin dito sa Asakusa. Must try talaga. It's time to go home. It was indeed a short holiday vacation, but a happy and a memorable one to treasure.